India Inc. is witnessing a major shift in wealth creation. Bharti Airtel has emerged as India's biggest wealth creator. IT companies are losing value, and IPL franchisees are now among India's most valuable businesses. These are the findings of the latest Burgundy Private Hurun India 500 report, an annual ranking of India's most valuable private companies. So what does this report reveal about corporate India's growth? Let's take a look. The combined value of India's 500 most valuable private companies has now crossed 3.4 lakh crore rupees. That's larger than the GDP of Canada. But the real story is about who is creating wealth in India. Bharti Airtel added 7.64 lakh crore rupees in value over the past 5 years. That makes it India's biggest wealth creator. Its valuation surged 198% during the period. Adani Power emerged as the second largest value creator over 5 years, adding nearly 3.86 lakh crore rupees. ICICI Bank, NSE and Larsen & Toubro also featured prominently among the biggest wealth creators. Reliance Industries has retained its position as India's most valuable company for the fifth consecutive year with a valuation of 19.36 lakh crore rupees. The IT sector that once dominated wealth creation in India is now losing ground. Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys and Wipro together lost 8.5 lakh crore rupees in value, making IT the biggest value-losing sector. A decade ago, TCS was India's most valuable company. Today it ranks 5th, while Infosys has slipped to 9th. The shift suggests investors are looking beyond traditional IT services. For the first time, 4 AI companies have entered the India 500 list. Fractal Analytics, Glance, NISA and Sarvam AI are together valued at over 60,000 crore rupees. The biggest milestone is Sarvam AI, becoming the first homegrown large language model developer to feature in the ranking. Another major highlight is the entry of 5 IPL franchisees into the list. Chennai Super Kings, Kolkata Knight Riders, Royal Challengers Bengaluru, Rajasthan Royals and Punjab Kings now have a combined valuation of more than 71,000 crore rupees. Even as AI and telecom gain momentum, financial services remain the backbone of corporate India. With 83 companies valued at 69.62 lakh crore rupees, it was the largest sector in the ranking. Healthcare came next, with 61 companies valued at 32.45 lakh crore rupees. Another major theme in the report is the rise of strategic sectors. Aerospace and defense valuations jumped 74%. Companies like Solar Industries India, MTAR Technologies, Astra Microwave Products, Aegis, Skyroot Aerospace and Apollo Microsystems have entered the list. A record 95 new companies entered this year's ranking. Their combined valuation stands at 18.45 lakh crore rupees. To even qualify, a company now needs to be worth at least 10,230 crore rupees. This means every company on this list is a billion-dollar business. Experts say these 500 companies form the backbone of India's private sector. But the bigger story is the shift in who is creating wealth today. AI is rising, defense is expanding, telecom is thriving, even cricket has become a serious business. India's corporate landscape is no longer driven by one sector. It is being reshaped by many. Follow Business Standard for more stories.